Okay, and that's the end of work for the entire week. It's time now to pack my bag, but I'm gonna actually say what's up to this guy. What's up, buddy? Hey, boy. Alright, and other than this camera that I'm filming on, I don't think I need to bring anything else. I believe that's all I should need for the next 7 days or so. Gonna change though real fast into some more comfortable clothes for a flight. Done. Okay, so I just went out to get some lunch. I picked out some Carl's, and then I also got some, my debit card replaced because it was cracking because of the way it sits in my wallet. So got all my errands done. Now I'm just gonna relax till I have to leave. Got to be on my flight at 4:55. So stay tuned. Alright, so my mom is picking up the car at the airport tonight when she flies in, so that way I don't have to take an Uber or anything, and it makes it nice and convenient. Alright, so new on the segment of the vlog, things I would have forgotten if I wouldn't have come back. My sweatshirt, I also would have forgotten my charger, I also would have forgotten the lens cap, I also would have forgotten the iPhone 7 headphone adapter, which is right here. I thought I lost it again. So I'm glad I went back to check. So anyways, headed out now. Also, I just wanted to point out that the time is currently 3:14. I'm about 4 minutes away from my house. My flight's board's at 4:55. So I just want to document the time in case I'm late, so then I can look back and laugh at myself for not leaving too soon or leaving way too early.
Are you like a vlogger?
That's what's up, gaining subs. If you ever end up watching this video and you work here at this gas station on Baseline, nice to meet you, and you were very nice. Alright, I just made it here. Just found my spot. Just left my car, or the car for my mom. Put my sweatshirt on. Got my hat. I grabbed my lens cap. Got everything else I need. Oh, backpack. And lens cap should be right there. Fell out of my pocket. Alright.
Go into the hot tub to watch some fireworks.
How was it?
Very hot, but felt very good.
Just finished in that hot tub. Feels really good. It's nice outside. This is where I'm going to finish today's vlog. I'm about to edit that vlog right now. Tomorrow should be more fun.